The African lion, with a bite force of 650 psi, can crush tissue and break bones with one strong clamp. The clouded leopard, with a bite force of 740 psi, can pierce deep and hold its grip with powerful jaws. The sun bear, with a bite force of 820 psi, can crush hard material and apply heavy pressure. The black bear, with a bite force of 975 psi, can break tough surfaces and deliver serious jaw force. The striped hyena, with a bite force of 800 psi, can crack bone and maintain a crushing bite. The Tasmanian tiger, with a bite force of 900 psi, can clamp down firmly and apply strong pressure. The orca, with a bite force of 19,000 psi, can generate extreme crushing power in a single bite.